Current financial markets are outdated, corrupt, vulnerable, and have lost trust, putting investors in constant panic and crashing entire economies. A new revolution is here. With current advancements in technology, new systems are quietly being set up around the world to revolutionize trust-dependent systems such as financial markets and data analysis. Welcome to blockchain technology, a trustless, transparent, and incorruptible technology. A blockchain for financial markets, services, and applications. Introducing Qompass, a new generation secure blockchain designed for high-speed transactions to update traditional financial markets using easy-to-implement smart contracts with artificial intelligence capability. The Qompass-powered app enables you to access all the products and services offered within the Qompass ecosystem, as well as doubling as a wallet capable of sending up to 1,000 payments at once, cutting costs and saving valuable time. The Qompass card is a smart hardware wallet and payment card you can easily use to withdraw fiat currencies at ATMs, make payments at point of sale, and in online shopping, as well as safekeep your crypto assets in a secure environment you can trust. Current crypto passive income programs such as lending and staking programs are flawed, Ponzi schemes, and outright scams. Qompass has solved that with a leveraged, managed crypto trading program as a new way of earning passive income on your crypto investments. Earn up to 300% per month while maintaining full control and access to your crypto assets at all times. Leverage creates true wealth. Simply open an account, deposit your crypto, and plug into the managed program. Withdraw profits anytime. Program fully secured from capital loss. Qompass Trader and Terminal gives you access to advanced charting and financial markets analysis, comprehensive real-time news, and advanced ICO analysis. Take the guessing out of ICO investing. With our application and API systems, financial institutions and businesses can right away start to benefit from the advantages of blockchain technology. The future is indeed exciting. Register today to join the revolution. Qompass Blockchain, faster, smarter, and self-aware with artificial intelligence capability. www.qompass.io